Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to insert the line break on Google Sheet mobile. So there are two methods to doing that. First, we have to use a function of char 10. So for example, I want to make a line break here. For example, I want to create a equal and then put the quotes line and then the quotes again and put the AND operator and then put char 10 and then put the AND operator and then I put break. Oops, the quotes break. Close the quotes. See, I have a line break with line break in the middle of it. And then the second method, if you want to make it manually, as you can see, if I hit enter on my keyboard, it it immediately goes down, which is it's not a line break, and then it's not a I mean it is just a regular enter or regular next cells. So to doing that, you just go to your WhatsApp or any apps, and then you just type in like this. For example, type in line break like this, and then select all, and then copy the text, go back to your Google Sheet, and then paste the text. Hit the enter. Now the result is the same with the first method, but here you can manually edit. For example, this is line break. That's it. This tutorial, I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put in the comment below. Thank you. Bye.